When examining the natal charts of people, common books lack info on deep stars. God revealed 17 celestial bodies. I analyzed them. Imran Khan's chart shows significant factors. At birth, Khan Sahib was in a good position, leading to success even in tough times with God's help. Like the current God-destined situation I predicted on October 7, 2022, this is why there are so many possibilities right now. Khan Sahib was well positioned, leading to his success in life. God helped him, as in the current situation destined for him. I predicted on October 7, 2022, that 2030 will not be good for Imran Khan. World announcements about Khan Sahib will lead to painful outcomes. Ultimately, one must face public perception. He is passionate and believes he is right. This situation indicates that, as this phase unfolds, it will reveal his challenges. The upcoming year, 2030, is not going to be good for Imran Khan. Announcements suggest painful outcomes for him. He must face public perception. This phase will reveal his challenges. The cycle is ending, and there seems to be future improvement in his circumstances. The situation requires public consideration. The chart reveals his challenges. External powers may need him to manage Pakistan. Imran Khan is expected to play a significant role in the future. The cycle ends, and in the future, his life will improve. He may be released next month. They need him to manage Pakistan. God has destined mercy and kindness for him. Imran Khan will play a key role in the country. We have to accept that without him, we cannot manage Pakistan. While worldly powers want Imran Khan to not come to power and to be out of politics, the divine perspective shows that God has written mercy and kindness in his fate from all sides. Under this, it appears that Imran Khan will play an important role in the country in the future.